Hello there, let's take a look at the weather through the remainder of Friday, and it's a pretty breezy one out there for much of us today. We've got some rain around. That rain will be clearing its way through and breaking up as it does so, and for many we'll see those skies brightening up as the afternoon wears on. Let's take a look at the earlier satellite and radar picture. You can see it was a brighter start across the southeast. The skies are clouding over here now because we've got rain pushing its way in, and some of that rain's been heavy for parts of Wales, northwest England and much of Scotland. But behind the rain we're now seeing skies brightening up across Northern Ireland and the west of Scotland with a scattering of showers, and that brightness continues to push its way eastwards as the afternoon goes on. That weather front becoming fairly fragmented through the afternoon, so that means it will be nothing more than much of a band of cloud with a few splashes of rain here and there. For many though, as I say, skies are brightening through the afternoon, but it is quite breezy out there, just taking the edge off those temperatures. Still quite mild in the southeast, but for many other areas it is going to be feeling a little bit fresher once that frontal system has cleared through. Now, as we go through Friday evening, we'll continue to see that rain pulling away. It may just pep up for a little bit of the time across Kent before those skies then clear, and for many it turns drier for a time. Temperatures will dip where we see clear skies, but actually if anything they will rise again as the night progresses, because we're then going to see this wet and windy weather pushing its way through with some pretty gusty winds across Northern Ireland up through the Irish Sea as we go through the early hours of Saturday. That's all tied with an area of low pressure up towards the northwest. And these are your minimum temperatures. As I say, they will be earlier in the night for many areas before that cloud then re-arrives. Let's take a look at that low pressure system though. It's centred up to the northwest of the UK. Tightly packed isobars means it will be windy through much of this weekend, and we just start to see some cooler air feeding its way through. Bands of showers then are likely through much of the weekend. Let's go back to Saturday morning though. Bright and chilly first thing across many central and eastern areas, but skies will cloud over as this rain pushes through. And you can see some bright colours there indicating a short spell of quite heavy and blustery rain to come through. That'll be quite noticeable, I think, for a time through the afternoon. Skies will brighten across Scotland and Northern Ireland, the far west of England and Wales as well, with some showers feeding through, but those winds remain quite strong, particularly around coastal areas in the south and the west. We could see gales for a time through Saturday. Southwesterly air, though, means that the temperatures are on the mild side for the time of year, not feeling especially mild, though, under the cloud and the rain. As we go through Saturday evening, then, that rain continues to pull its way across the far south of the country. It may pep up across central southern England for a time before then that clears as well. Showers feeding in behind, a mixture of clear spells as well, and those winds staying on the blustery side, so that will prevent those temperatures from falling away too far. So the weekend in summary then, a wet and windy spell of weather for many of us through Saturday. For much of the country though, it will brighten up through Sunday. We'll see some showers around as well. Of course, for more information on the weather for the weekend, you can follow us on social media. I'll see you later.